Hey, what's up guys? It's Mad Titty Kennels right here. This video is to show how to properly, I guess, supplement feeding or syringe feeding your puppies. I will not be tube feeding in this video. I prefer this method more than tube feeding, but I do know how to tube feed, and that's for a further video of when I do need to tube feed. That being said, so the mom is producing milk. The thing is that the puppies are not getting enough milk in them, so she is cleaning them, which is a good thing. That way I don't have to do it, and she is keeping them warm for the most part. So I am feeding these guys roughly around 3 to 4 times a day. It just really depends. So this video is just a quick little voiceover. There's nothing much. It's not rocket science right here. So basically right here, what I'm doing is I'm checking the temperature of the milk, making sure it's warm. You don't want to feed cold milk to puppies. That's one thing. This milk warmer right here that I have, it's a lifesaver, man. So right here, I'm gonna make some new milk real quick. I do a 2 parts water to 1 part dry, and I like to use this dry stuff. It's just easier to keep around. You don't have to keep it in the fridge or nothing like that. So it just it saves time basically. So in this litter we did get 7 puppies in total, 3 females and 4 males. This here is a black and tan boy, and he is the first one that I'm gonna be syringe feeding. Just a quick heads up guys, in this video there's gonna be going a lot back and forth. I'm gonna try not to talk as much. If you do feel like skipping around, feel free to do that. In real time, this takes roughly around 1 to 1 hour and a half, and it just takes a big part of your day. Just for those who want to be French bulldogs and are not prepared to take the time for this. So right here is puppy number 2. She is a female. This puppy right here, we are having trouble with her. Um, she seems she's not eating from the mom as much as like the other ones. So we are supplementing her a little bit more. So as you can see right here, what I'm doing is I'm applying steady pressure on it, and I'm just doing like like little pumps at a time. I'm not squeezing the whole thing all the way through. Just be mindful, guys. These are little puppies, and you don't want milk coming out of their nose. Once you do that, you start running into problems, and you don't want to do that. So just do little pumps at a time, and you should be good. So this right here, I believe it's black and tan Merle. I believe he has 2 copies of 10 points. So right here, I'm just going over the puppy, making sure everything's good. Making sure the umbilical cord's nice and healed, making sure he has stuck poop or something like that, making sure he's nice and healthy. So this one right here is pretty plumb. So I'm gonna be fitting him just a little bit. I don't want to overdo it. He does look pretty good right now, so I'm just gonna fit him that I have in the syringe, and that should be enough for him. So I did forget to mention in the beginning of the video, these puppies are, I believe, 3 days old, and I've been doing this since day one. So when you guys get your females home, the first 24 hours are most important, and you want to keep an eye on them. If I would let these puppies go like a week, then half of this litter would have been dead. So just keep that in mind when you guys have your litters. Make sure you guys stay with them for the first 24 hours and check up on your puppies and address anything that needs to be handled. Like in this case, that I'm supplementing and feeding the puppies. So this little guy right here, I believe he's a fawn. I'm not sure if he's double 18, which is 10 points. He might carry just one copy of 10 points, but it's really visible, so I'm thinking he has two copies of 10 points. So he's just a fawn with 10 points. No, I'm good, man. So right here in this part, you can see what I mean, that he might carry 2 copies of 10 points. They're pretty visible on the side, at the face. He even might be maskless. So right here, this is another male, and this one I believe is only 1 copy of 10 points, or he might have 2 copies of masks. That's why the temples aren't that visible on this guy right here. He does have a bigger white spot on the chest. Other than that, they're most likely the same. I highly recommend this product I'm using right here. This is called this brand in particular I got from Amazon. It's called the Nosy Boo Pro Baby Electric Nasal Respirator or Aspirator. This right here you want to use on each puppy. You know, make sure they don't have no fluids in their nose that could cause respiratory infection or something like that. So this one right here is one of our favorite girls. We might be keeping her. She is a fawn merle. So this is the last puppy right here that I'm gonna be syringe feeding, and this one is also a fawn merle. So as you can see right here, the puppies are well fed already and they're ready resting, except for that little fat one over there trying to eat some more. This is the mom of the litter right here. Her name is Susie. She is a black and tan, only carrying one copy at 10 points, as you can see right there. And the puppies are well resting, and they should be good for another 3 to 4 hours. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.